get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big. Hey, my juicy fruits. So we're in the salon. It's Saturday. I'm doing Lily's hair. Lily hadn't been to me in a while. She usually wear her hair short, and that's it's growed all the way out, and it's gray. So we about to cut this all off, y'all. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for clicking this video to watch today. I'm Sweet Juicy, and I'm a licensed hairstylist. I'm in Dallas, Texas, and we're just gonna have a little I'm just gonna let y'all be at the salon with me today. Let me see how I can say that better. I'm just gonna let y'all see me at work in the salon today for this quick video. So thank you for thumbsing up, commenting, and subscribing. Okay, I may come in and talk here and there, or I may just play the music. As you can see, the video is sped up, so this is what we're doing. Okay, so we're getting Lily all cut, and yeah, I guess you'll get to see some of my co-workers in between. There's Gina, she's doing her client Sean, and that's weaved hair on the top of there, that blonde hair. So she's waved that weaved hair, and she's finishing it up right here. And then we're gonna go back to my station where my co-worker is giving my client a slight eyebrow cleanup. Not so much of an arch because she has nice thick brows. She just kind of cleaning her up. So she got her hair all cut and relaxed, and so I'm about to curl her hair. Well, I'm gonna put some lashes on Lily first, and then I'm gonna curl her hair. And I have another client that I'm going to do, Rosalind, and who else? Oh, I'm gonna do Gina's hair, my co-worker. And then at the end of the video, we're gonna go on a little outing, but we were live on that video, so I'm just gonna show a little clip of that, baby, and then we'll be out of here. Thank y'all for watching, and I may jump back in the video, but the most of the video is gonna be sped up. Okay, thank y'all for being here. And I am using just a Marcel, like a Marcel flat iron, mini micro flat iron, the kind that you put in the stove.
Okay, give it to me.
This Rizzy Roz, and all the food they had was good. This right here, this is salmon rolls in this pan. These baked beans or whatever was great. The corn on the cob was good. How can you go wrong with corn on the cob? I think I had mashed potatoes. Yeah, this salmon roll. Remember how I be telling y'all I don't like salmon, and I haven't had it right, but that right there, that was right. To me, it was like a burrito, but it was salmon. And so this is some type of chicken or something, I think, in this pan. And then they had right here, they had baby lamb chops. And I didn't want any of that because I tried lamb before, and that was a no-go. This spaghetti, or what you call it, chicken tetrazzini or something like that. I'm not big on that, but whatever that was great. Everything that I had was so good. And let's see. Well, that's my plate. Is that my plate? Or maybe that was Gina's plate. I don't know which plate was in the screen. So right at this time, we're trying to find somewhere to sit down and get at it. So yeah, here were two ladies. They saw me with the camera, so they just speaking. Okay, thank y'all for watching my Saturday at the shop with a little outing. Thank you for watching the next video. Subscribe, like, share if you want to. Bye-bye.